The difference of what $9 is on Amazon. The one on the right is $9 more than the one on the left, and just have a quick look at what you get for the price. I'm going to pause it right now and raise it up as high as it'll go, just so that you can see. The one on the right has a hand crank in order to get the top part up and down so it'll stay where you want it to, and it also has a handle in order to be able to move it around. And the phone holder is way more robust. The one on the left, the smartphone holder, actually was busted when I got it. It must have been when it was put in the package, because it was so flimsy it busted the bottom part of it. And the two are just so much difference for the difference of $9. And when you're starting a YouTube channel, you really need to watch what you're spending and getting the best value for your money. And I think that $33 for the one on the left, as opposed to $42 for the one on the right, and that is the total cost for both. The one on the left is way inferior to the one on the right, even for the cheaper cost. It's just unbelievable, the difference. Thanks. I will be coming on camera in a moment. Sorry about that. The one that I bought and like the most is, of course, the one from the Amazon Basics line, and it was only $30.99 for the tripod, and then the smartphone holder that's on top was only $11.99. They had different ones that looked exactly the same that started at about $16, but if you looked around, I was able to find one for a few dollars less than that. The other one was a kit that I bought, and it was $32.99, and it all came together in this tiny little package, and I really don't feel like that was worth the money for what I wanted to get. But the customer that would want to have something like that would be someone that is going around from place to place and wants something really light to be able to take it around and not have a bulky item with them. It wouldn't be bad for that, but I certainly wouldn't get it for that smartphone holder, because that is like $1 less than the one that I paid for that one if you buy it separately, and it's just not worth it. That's what I was talking about on my last video, and I think I'm going to show a few videos on the things that I get, so that people can see the difference in just paying a few dollars more. And that's what I was talking about before, was the fact that sometimes if you pay just a few dollars more, you get something way better and something that'll last you a lot longer. And that's all I have for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and like the video if you like it. No pressure. I'm doing this because I want to help people and let them see what's going on in the world of trying to make a YouTube channel for as inexpensive as possible. Thank you.